Small receiver on the shelf, talking mostly to itself. Dim light hanging from a wire, coffee cooling near the dial. Mother leaning up the frame, sky returning pale again. Cup is empty on the side, static fading nevermore. A voice speaking calm and slow from a distant studio, filling up the empty air like somebody sitting there. I was moving soft and wide with the signal as a guide. Simple words coming through, nothing new. Let that quiet station run, through the night till morning comes. Hands resting on the chair, listening there. Mother leaning up the frame, sky returning pale again. Cup is empty on the side, static fading with the light. Another night has traveled far, carried out distant bars. Still the voice remains a friend, till the program finds its end. All the hours passing by, underneath the open sky. Little signals scaying through,